Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and basically doing anything in the fitness industry. These are the replacement meals and snacks for the high calorie foods that will ruin your diet. That is what the anabolic diet does, guys, is to satisfy that craving of the high calorie foods so you won't want a cheat meal. All of my recipes got low calories, high protein, and a lot of flavor. And most of my recipes got similar macros to the chicken, rice, and veggie meals. If you guys are eating chicken, rice, and veggies back to back and you do not get tired of it, this video may not be for you. More chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for most of us, we're gonna get tired of that diet sooner or later, and we're gonna want that cheat meal. If you follow the chicken, rice, and veggies diet, that diet is going to work. I guarantee you that. The only problem with the chicken, rice, and veggies diet, guys, is that you have to follow it to work. But the anabolic diet works the same ways, guys. You have to follow it for it to work. What I notice is when you start eating the same thing back to back like chicken, rice, and veggies, that's when you start craving the cheat meals. If you eat a cheat meal, it's gonna set your diet back a lot and you're gonna notice it on your physique. If you're watching this video, is we have one similar goal, and that's either to lose weight or to stay fit. Our goal is not to eat good, guys. Our goal is to lose weight. But the anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. This diet has a lot of recipes that will crush your high calorie food cravings and not make you want a cheat meal. So in today's episode, we're gonna be crushing one of your McDonald's cravings with the bacon, egg, and cheese bagel sandwich with the anabolic one. Okay guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first thing is first, we're gonna get your food scale ready with the bowl. All right. For our first ingredient, we're gonna need 230 grams of 100% liquid egg whites. All right guys, remember 230 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 230 grams, okay? Next ingredient, we're gonna need one bagel from Thomas Bagel Thins. Okay guys, remember, get one of these bad boys. I recommend toasting it. You don't have to toast it, but I recommend toasting it, okay guys? Next ingredient, we're gonna need one slice of Jenny Oat turkey bacon. Remember, these are pretty big slices, guys. All you really need is one. Next step, preheat your skillet on medium-high heat, and don't forget to spray it with oil spray so your egg won't stick. All right. Okay guys, when it's hot enough, put your egg in there and let it cook. And then we'll flip it when it's done. All right, let's go. Okay guys, it's about time to flip this bad boy. All right, let's go. All right, so let's let it finish cooking and we'll get to the next step, okay guys? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need one slice of Velveeta cheese, 35 calories a piece. Remember, one slice, okay guys? All right, let's go. Sorry guys, I had already cooked the bacon, but that's only one piece, and it's a big old piece of bacon, so all you need is one. And I'm pretty sure you guys know how to cook bacon, okay guys? So right now we're gonna just assemble the sandwich and we're good. You know, we can try it out, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love this recipe. It's so delicious, guys. All you do is fold your egg in 4 ways, like this, and then like that, and just put it on top of the sandwich. Then we put the cheese on top of the egg. And we'll put the bacon on top of the cheese. And then just put it on top. And we're ready to eat this sandwich. All right, let's do this, guys. Okay, guys, it's taste test time, all right? Let's try this bad boy out. I'm gonna show you exactly how it tastes like. Well, I mean, it's really, really good, guys. I've been eating this for like 2 or 3 weeks straight. I'm not tired of it. I do like these sandwiches, though, from McDonald's. So, I mean, maybe that's why I haven't got tired of it. But, well, let's try this bad boy out. And when you see the macros, you'll be like, no way, that's crazy. All right, look at that right there. Look at that sandwich right there. This is gonna fill you up, guys, make you gain muscle, lose some fat, and satisfy your cravings, guys. All right, let's try this bad boy out. Guys, please make this sandwich. You guys are you're gonna be like, man, Manuel got down on this sandwich. This is so good. Oh my God, I cannot get tired of this sandwich. I swear to God, I cannot get tired of this sandwich, guys. This is so good. Try it out. Put some mustard in it if you guys want. Whatever you guys want to do. But try it out, guys, and when you hear the calories, you'll be like, I can like 2 or 3 of these bad boys, and you know, not feel bad, you know. Let me try another bite, and let's go to macros. Guys, make that sandwich. I'm begging you guys, please make this sandwich. I know you're gonna love it, okay, guys? This McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese bagel sandwich is to die for. We got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with McDonald's bagel breakfast sandwiches. Okay, guys, to the macros. If you made the sandwich exactly the way I made it, it's only gonna be 300 calories, 34 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 5 grams of fiber, and 28 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. This sandwich is gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just won't be able to eat one. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. Guys, please make this sandwich. I know you'll love it, but I know one thing you might like more than this sandwich, and that's losing weight while eating bagel sandwiches. Okay, guys, comment below how much you guys like the sandwich, and also comment below how much weight you guys started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay, guys, these recipes take a long time to make, and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. So you want to support me, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you guys want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below, and I'll work really hard on it. If you guys want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay, guys, remember, till next time, all those trying to subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.